Let's walk through how to add your first property. Start by clicking Start Setup, and begin the setup. Enter your property name, it's simple and self-explanatory. Next, choose your property type. If you're managing shared housing, select the option for multiple tenants. If it's a family home with a single payment source, choose the family house option. Then, select when the property started operating. Now, choose the number of rooms in your property. Once you do that, the system automatically creates the structure for you, including all rooms. Next, you can customize each room by choosing whether it's single or shared. You can apply the same setting to all rooms or adjust them individually. After that, you'll see the inspection checklist. Each room comes with 9 default checks. This is where the name 9Checks comes from. These checks are used during inspections. You can also add custom items like a bed or a table. And if you don't want to repeat the process for every room, you can transfer items across rooms in just a few clicks. Finally, set your pricing. You can choose standard pricing if all rooms are the same, or customized pricing per room depending on size, furniture, or features. Now, let's talk about occupancy. Single rooms count as 1 occupant per room. Shared rooms count as 2 occupants. So even if you have 3 rooms, your total capacity might be higher, depending on how many rooms are shared. 9Checks makes property management simple and efficient. Get started today.